Have you ever feel like creating your mini importation business? I am actually asking myself the same question, that am I really creating my importation business? Am I really regretted that I started my importation business? That's what we are going to talk about in this video. So please join me. Let's talk about all the challenges that we are facing and what we can do to solve the problems. Hello there, my name is Ghaneva and this is Ghaneva Air Channel, where we talk about business, mini importation, self-growth and growing ourselves. Today let's talk about mini importation challenges. A lot of people want to do mini importation business, but what they don't know is the challenges in it. Today I'm not just going to give you a script to follow, to do this and do that. When you are starting mini importation, I'm going to share my experience with you and the reason why I think I'm quitting, and I keep asking myself if I'm regretting. So, am I actually regretting starting mini importation? That's the question I keep asking myself. And the reason why I keep asking myself is that if you're an importer, you would understand this. Whenever you start the business and it is doing so well, at a certain time you feel like resting. At a certain time you don't feel like posting anymore. At a certain time you feel like you don't even want to check up on your group. I don't know if I'm the only person who feels that, but that's what I'm currently going through. And I keep thinking that, am I actually quitting? No, I am not quitting, but I am actually on a break now. So whenever you feel like you are tired, whenever you feel like you just really need some time, you just have to have that time. Because I've seen a lot of importers who post on in their group every day, anytime, but there will be a period of time that they stop posting. They don't post again, they don't do business, mini importation business again. And I think I can relate because that's what currently I'm doing. Like currently I'm not posting. If you check my videos on this channel, the playlist of my products are from 1688. All the products that I've been buying from 1688 is through mini importation businesses. So when I import for people and I'm doing the unboxing, then I video them. But currently you could see that I'm actually not doing unboxing video again because currently I am not posting in my group. And I feel like, why have I already given up? But the truth is I haven't given up. The truth is I really want to have some time to rest, to restrategize and busy schedules, school stuffs, personal stuffs and the rest. So if you are an importer yourself and you are not posting frequently like you used to do, I just want you to know that it's not like you're giving up. Me too. That's the same thing I'm going through, just because you really need a rest. So I have this, should I say, a friend? Okay, I taught her how to do the mini importation, how to import things simply. That's how I will put it. So she became my friend. Now I really helped her to create WhatsApp group. I helped her to know how to post the thing, to know how to add your profit. It wasn't part of the mini importation course. Just because we became friends through the importation training, I also helped her how to create the group, post, add profits, and telling people to join and all those things that you have to do before you can set up a WhatsApp business or an online business. So this friend, when she started, she was posting in the group and I can see that she was really doing well, and I was like being at the back and nodding my head that yeah, she's doing well and I helped her. So I was actually feeling proud that I finally helped someone to do something like importation business. But recently she posts stop, she posts stop, about 2 months time, then she'll post, come in just once and she goes. And I'm like, is this how it is? Is this normal? Is it like sometimes you just really want to post that, then once you be like, I'm not posting anymore. You be like, I don't feel like. So I realized that actually just might be something going on with all the importers. Sometimes you really want to do where you are putting in the effort and the rest, and sometimes you just don't feel like doing anything. And I'm here to tell you that it is totally fine if you are on a break, if you don't feel like posting it, if you're someone who always posts and you are in the same situation as mine. It is totally fine that you are not actually posting it. You can take all the time in this world, you can take everything in this world before you post, but you should just know that maybe some people would leave from your group. That means that the number of people in your groups, that's your social media group, might also reduce as well. But one thing for sure is that since you have been important for a lot of people and right now you are not actually posting, since they know you as an importer, they will keep bringing their orders in. So even if I'm not actually posting in the group, people are still bringing in their orders and I'm personally buying for them. But I tell them that since you are the only person that I'm buying for you, it means that when the shipping fee comes, I'm not going to divide it among anything. You are the only person who is going to be responsible for the shipping fee. Some people accept it, others don't. And those people that I import for them, like one person that I import for them, I don't do unboxing because it's only one, so there's no need of opening people's items. That's why recently I have not been shooting unboxing videos. But if it was about 10 people, the packaging is going to be really big. In that way I can do unboxing video and unbox everything and show you people. So that's the reason why I'm not actually doing unboxing video recently, because recently I'm not even buying anything. Recently I don't have money, and recently I'm not posting, and those that I buy for, they are just one and I can't open their items on camera. So if you are someone that you don't post often or frequently like you used to do, we are all in the same shoes together. It's actually totally fine to rest, to have all the time. If business is stressing, if business is stressing, if business is stressing you, you have all the time in this world to strategize, reset, and restart. That's all this video is about. So if you're someone that you are in my shoes, I know this video really helped you so much, and it is also helping me so much. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Yes, if you have anything you would like me to talk about or share my thoughts, my story, my experience with you, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be so glad to do that. And do well to check other videos on the channel so that it will help you so well. And please, you know what I'm going to say, right? Do well to subscribe and support this community if you are new here and you are watching me. Thank you so much, my old new people, that you have been watching me, supporting this community. I really appreciate you all, that you keep supporting me. And now let's hope that we get to 1K so that we pop champagne. Thank you so much for watching. I'm ending this video and I will see you in another video. Ghaneva Edge, deep inside, real success.